Hello, this short video gives you information regarding the type of calculators that can be used by candidates in US CMA tests. Few things to note before we actually look at the type of calculators that can be used in CMA tests. It is important to know the calculators that can be used in CMA tests because if you take any calculator that does not meet the conditions that are going to be discussed in a short while, you will not be allowed to use them in the test. Prometric centers strictly enforce calculator policy. Note that the students do get access to online calculator on their display screen while taking tests at Prometric centers, but they will not have any advanced functions like NPV, IRR, etc. This video will take you through the type of calculators that are permitted to be used in CMA tests. The guidelines discussed here are taken from CMA Handbook published by IMA. The calculators that are used in the CMA test should be small electronic calculator which may be either battery or solar powered. There is a restriction on maximum number of functions the calculator can have. The calculator can have maximum of 6 functions, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage and square root. The calculators that are programmable are not allowed. Likewise, the calculator that use tape are also not allowed. Following financial calculator models are specifically mentioned as allowed in CMA Handbook: Texas Instruments BA2 Plus calculator, Hewlett-Packard 10B2 calculator, Hewlett-Packard 10B2 Plus calculator, Hewlett-Packard 12C calculator, Hewlett-Packard 12C Platinum calculator. Even though Hewlett-Packard 10B2 calculator is permitted for use in the test, it is no longer available for purchase. The use of these financial calculators saves you a bit of a time in tests provided you know how to use them properly. If you plan to use them in exams, it's a good idea to start using them while you are preparing for the test so that you understand the calculator's workings well. It takes a bit of a time and practice to master using these financial calculators. There are many topics in CMA syllabus both in part 1 and part 2 where you can make use of these calculators. I personally use a Texas Instruments BA2 Plus calculator and have found it to be very user friendly. Check out many videos uploaded on our YouTube channel and website to know how the BA2 Plus calculator can be used. If you are planning to pass CMA test within 6 months of studies, consider enrolling for our 6 months CMA Bootcamp training course. IMA gives 3 years to a student to complete the course, but with Saral CMA training program, it is possible to complete the course within 6 months. To know more about this, please attend our free CMA course orientation webinar. Alternatively, you may take one-on-one consultation. Our contact details are shared below. Here is our email address. If you have already made up your mind to join the training course, go ahead and click the enroll button that is there below this video. Alternatively, visit our website for enrollment. Thanks a lot for watching this video. We will see you inside the training program.